In this video, I'm going to share how I made over $100 with totally free learn and earn programs from the different crypto exchanges. If that sounds interesting to you, then let's dig in, get at it.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never asked the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice.
So many of the cryptocurrency exchanges run learn and earn promotions mainly aimed at new users. And this is a win-win because the exchanges teach new users how to use all the features on their site. And the users basically are getting free money and they're learning something new at the same time. So to show how this works and so you can grab those rewards, I'm going to do a demo starting with the Phemex exchange. So once you set up your account, come to the home page and navigate at the top to the Learn and Earn section. And then it will usually have a series of videos on different topics you can watch, and it will tell you how much you can earn by completing those short videos and then completing a quiz at the end to prove that you've done it. So for example, if we go to this first one, this is very basic. I'm going to play a short video, which is quite nice with a good animation on how cryptocurrency works. I think it's only about 50 seconds. So just to show example.
Instead of relying on the support and authority of a central government, a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin relies on blockchain technology. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger or notebook that keeps track of all transactions. Anytime you buy, spend, or transfer Bitcoin to someone, the transaction is encrypted and recorded on this digital ledger. Network participants all over the world have a copy of this ledger. The combination of this distributed ledger with advanced cryptography methods makes the system very secure. Not only would an attacker need to decrypt the information, but they would also need to be able to hack the majority of all copies of the main ledger that exists around the world.
So there you go. I mean, it's pretty basic stuff, but you complete the course and then you can see in the bottom here, it says take the quiz to earn the rewards. I've already completed this and already earned the rewards, so it's saying here you can only be eligible for that once. But if you complete the quiz, you go through all the questions, assuming you get them right, and then it just pays out the reward. So each video, you can earn anywhere between 50 cents up to $1. Now, if I go back here, you can see there can be quite a few different courses available. And even though it seems small, if you do them all, it soon starts to add up. And then in terms of the other exchanges, there are quite a few that offer something similar. So for example, Coinbase has this learning rewards section, and they have quite a few videos they've made, particularly about a lot of the altcoins, which actually were quite interesting, like this series on the NEAR protocol. That was quite good. And graph, and you know, you can work your way through, and all of these you can see here. I earned $1 on that one, another here, and so on and so on. So yeah, Coinbase is definitely a good one. And then I also found this DeFi platform called Cake DeFi. They only had a couple here, but still, you know, it's a few dollars here or there, and it all adds up. Next of all is Binance. Now, these guys have been doing this a while, and actually they have a massive number of courses. You can see here, if I scroll down, there's like 4 pages worth. And now I've already completed a lot of these, and it looks like they're not offering any more at the moment. But all of these are paying, you know, $1, $2 each. So if you're signing up and completing them all, and also they're bringing out more all the time, you know, it all adds up. And then last of all, CoinMarketCap is also worth checking out. They often also have similar videos, and you know, you can work your way through all of these. So that's it in terms of the exchanges. The next one I also wanted to demo was Revolut. Now, Revolut have a slightly unusual model, but they do also have this learn and earn program. And if I jump onto the phone, I can show you how this works. So open the Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and then scroll down to the learn and earn area. And I'm going to show the Polkadot course, where they've got a really nice video which explains how the Polkadot network works. So just play this.
Polkadot connects different blockchains through something called a relay chain. This unique type of blockchain forms the heart of the Polkadot network. On the relay chain, different blockchains can interact with each other and work together. The blockchains that connect to the relay chain are known as parachains because they process transactions at the same time or in parallel. This solves a big problem faced by other blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin, as they don't have the ability to communicate with other blockchains. This also means Polkadot can handle a lot more traffic at a fraction of the cost. These features make Polkadot one of the most advanced blockchain platforms in existence today.
Yeah, someone really got carried away with the animations there. But yeah, it's a great short little demo, that. And then here's the quiz that you have to complete afterwards. So you obviously do the multiple choice, select the one that you want. And obviously the quiz is relevant to the video you just watched. I think there's only 3 questions here, and they're pretty easy. So and then you submit that, and there you go. It pops up and says you've earned £1 or $1 for completing that quiz. Now, if I go back to the home screen and look at my assets in the Revolut app and go to Polkadot and transactions, here you can actually see all the rewards I earned from completing all those individual courses. And then this is another one for 1inch, the DEX platform. They had another course on there. Yeah, and you can actually then buy or sell or transfer those cryptos that you've earned from the courses straight from the app. And that's all there is to it, really. If you've got a spare hour or so on a Sunday afternoon, make yourself a coffee, watch a few short videos, and do those simple quizzes, and you could easily bag yourself a nice little bonus. If you'd like to do that, have a look in the description below the video down below. I've put links to each of the individual exchanges like Phemex and Coinbase and so on. Click the link, follow it through and sign up, and then navigate to the Learn and Earn section on the exchange, and you can complete those videos and easily grab yourself around about $100 or so in free bonuses. So I hope you found that useful. If you've got value out of this, then support me and drop a like, subscribe down below. You know what to do. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.